Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay-Multiple. Welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna introduce the Omega shape profile roofing machine. Now in my hand, this is the sample. As you can see, it's very simple. And what sets this roofing machine apart is it has 4 rows structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to note that it would be better for customer who have already have the experience in debugging the roofing machine and changing the size. If they want to buy the roofing machine with more than 2 rows, because it have to take some time to change the size, and it has some difficulties for new customers. It's also very important for our customer to know the thickness of the profile should be the same, and the height of different size profile should be similar, and the number of the roll forming stations should be similar too. And there are many details in this roll forming machine. Let's go and see. There are 4 separate and fixed guiding parts. So for our customer, they don't have to change the guiding width for other use. And why we set the guiding part? Because we have to keep the steel coil and the machines in one central line, so the profile can be very straight. And then we have the wall panel structure and the chain driving system. You can see the chain on the other side. And for this roofing machine, we can produce 4 different sizes of the Omega shape profile on one roofing machine. And what sets this machine apart, because you can save the factory space and reduce the machine material. So it's a very cost-effective choice for our customers. We set 4 separate encoders for each row, so the encoder can convert the steel coil length into the electrical signal to our PLC control cabinet. So our PLC control cabinet can catch very precisely, and we use the coil brand from Japanese and the PLC from the Siemens. So we all use the international renowned brand. So for our customer, it's very convenient to change and buy the components replacement. This is the hydraulic carting machine. It has 4 separate blades for different size profile. And with the PLC control cabinet, we can input any desired length, quantities, so that we can have the profile with the length error in 0.5 millimeter. Before our shipment, we will test the roofing machine until it can produce the profile match the drawing, so our customer can produce in time after receiving our machines. If you are interested in our machine, please feel free to contact us. This is Joey from Linbay-Multiple. See you next time.